This is our Atrump Vertical Milling Machine. It's a model K2V. It's got a 9x49 inch table, an Analam Wizard 211 2-axis DRO, power feed, 6-inch Bridgeport vise, strapping kit, which you can see in the picture, also a large assortment of collets. Machine had very little use. It was in a laboratory environment and was used very sparingly. I'm going to bring it on for you now. We are in the high range. Believe it or not, 3,500 on the high range. Nice and quiet. Gauging power down feed. Bottom, knock itself out. Going to low range. Also equally as quiet. Bring on speed. Moving, changing direction, and then our Y. This is our Atrump 9x49 vertical milling machine in really excellent condition. Thank you.